Hi folks, this is just a little update of the parts I've got in the past couple months. I've been working so much, really haven't worked on the Mustang much, but it's afforded me the parts, so they're starting to add up. And I had the little job come up, spark plug spit on a 5.4 turned into pulling heads and replacing one of them. So I got all that done, and then had to help do an axle seal job on another truck. Everything's cleared out, getting ready to put the Mustang back over on the lift and do another test fit on the engine and transmission. But I thought I'd just make a short video on parts progress more than progress. So Jason from barraswap.com got me in this stuff. Ross Gold damper, water pump, and thermostat flange. I'd really like to build one of those pretty little swirl pot deals. I'm working on learning to TIG weld. That's going to take a long time, but that's a goal for that. Head studs, bearings. Main studs are still on back order, but like everything else, they'll get here before I'm ready for them. The parts are waiting on me now. So, and then Curtis and Dominator Motorsports got me this stuff: valve springs, titanium retainers, the very important oil pump gears and backing plate, full gasket set. And then, I'm not sure if I already showed you this, with the 6-boost manifold. Golby's got me. I went ahead and bought the atomic timing stuff, the tensioner, guides, chain, and crank sprocket. But on the bench it looks like just a few parts, but quite a few.